Hello friends and followers. Well, I think the remote control is working now on the ALS-1300 via the ARI-500 little box here. So I found I was missing two signals coming back from the control cable here. I was missing two signals. I was missing the 20-meter signal, and I'm not sure what the other one was, but when I ohmed out this pin from here all the way back to this ribbon cable jumper down here, I was missing two signals. One actually ohmed it out to the back of the RJ45, so the 20-meter signal was missing at the RJ45, and so either the dip header plug socket here was bad, or this solder job here and the plug was bad. So I soldered that, and that got rid of that problem. The other missing signal was a problem with the cheap tin connector they had in here, a tin dip 16-pin socket. So I removed the control board and replaced that socket. It took about an hour or two. It was an awful job. Anyway, I think this thing's working, and they gang the bands together. So basically, at least the flex is telling this thing that 160 is distinct, 80 is distinct, 40 and 30 are the same band pretty much, 20 is distinct, 17 and 15 are the same, and so is 12 and 10. So you can verify that by taking that offline, and if you go to 10 and 15, the LED changes, but there's no difference in click. The filters don't activate. Go to 15 and 17, again, there's no difference, no filter action. 40 is its own thing, but you go to 30 and it's the same thing, so they're the same. 80 is distinct, and 160, whoops, there's, let's see, 40 is there's 30. So 30 and 40 are different. Maybe that's not working yet for me. 80 is distinct, and so is 160. So yeah, I don't get it changing at all from 40 to 30 with the flex. 20 is its own thing. 15 to 17 doesn't change. 12 to 10 doesn't change. Anyway, back to remote. Now we're back on remote. So yeah, it does work better now. Little demo for you. Let's see if I can move this around. Well, anyway, it's working, so go to 160 here. We're on 160, go to 80. Oh, I'm not in operate. Yeah, you gotta move this thing to operate. So it's linked. There, now it's on 160. Here we're on 160. Let's go to 80. Okay, there's 80 right there. $80 right there. Let's go to 40. There's 40 right there. And there's 40. If I go to 30, there's no change, I don't think. No, it did. Click. It did change. It went to 20. That seems wrong. That seems way wrong. I'll have to look at the wiring and see if that's correct or not. So 30 and 20 If I go to 20 and 30, there's no change. Go to 17. So I think 17 and 15 are the same. Go to 17, it goes to 15. And I'm on 17. If I go to 15, there's no change. Go to 12. And 12 and 10 I think are pretty much the same. So when I go to 12, it'll shoot me on 10. And there's 10. And that's my demo, so hope you like it. I guess this thing's done now. I gotta verify that it works right. It won't blow it up. I still want to look at the diagrams and make sure that what it does, what it selects on the flex is exactly correct and it won't burn this thing up. I still don't have a 10 meter module installed, so I don't have that enabled for transmit. Alright, so that's my demo. This has pretty much been all day to fix this damn thing. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Time to put ham radio away. Turn that off, turn this off. Turn off the computer. So with this flex anyway, you need a radio running on the computer. Turn off the computer. Shut down. That turns off this little computer over here. And then once the flex is turned off, the flex will shut down in about 10 seconds. Turn off the pyramid power supply. That's it, all done. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.